We liked the Nothing Phone 2 because of its solid overall performance and its unique flashing lights. The Nothing Phone 2a takes a bit of that flashiness, but strips the specs back to come with an even more affordable price tag. In the US, the Phone 2a with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage will go on sale for $349. That's half the price of the Nothing Phone 2 in the same configuration. So what do you get for your money? Well, you get a generous 6.7-inch display which seems bright and vibrant enough to do justice to your games and YouTube videos, a 5000 mAh battery which should give you at least a full day of use, and a dual rear camera setup. The main 50-megapixel camera takes decent photos in most conditions, capturing plenty of detail and colors that seem pretty accurate. There's also a 32-megapixel ultra-wide which, again, does the job perfectly well. Is it a camera to catapult you into photography stardom? Well, probably not, but it's fine for quick snaps of your friends. The Phone 2a runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chip, rather than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip found in its pricier sibling. It's nowhere near as powerful on benchmark tests as the Nothing Phone 2, but given its much lower price, that's probably to be expected. In general use though, I found it fairly nippy with no noticeable lag or stuttering. So what about Nothing's signature flashing Glyph lights? Well, there are a small number on the back, though apparently you need to spend bigger bucks if you want the complete light show. The LEDs it does have will do the usual things of alerting you to incoming calls, or act as a small fill light when you're shooting video at night. We only spent a short amount of time with the phone so far, so we'll reserve judgment on whether it's worth its money in the full review. But so far, it certainly seems like a decent, affordable alternative for those of you who don't want to spend the bigger money on the Nothing Phone 2.